Dr. Tim. Wanted to give you an update on my Epic Tea protocol journey. 2/3 of the way through, and I feel much better. I've got a lot more energy than I used to have. I work out 2 to 3 times a week, which I really wasn't even working out at all before that. I go for a walk almost every single day, do stretches almost every single day. The 10 months prior to me starting the Epic Tea protocol, I was averaging maybe less than 5,000 steps a day. The first month, I averaged almost 9,000 steps per day, and the second month, I averaged almost 11,475 steps a day. So certainly my energy level is definitely improved overall, and I'm very appreciative of the opportunity to be on this protocol, and I plan on making it a lifelong trip, essentially taking Epic Tea as I move forward. Hope you have a great day.